A group of 90 students undertook an activity. The times taken to complete the activity are summarised in the table below. Complete the table below from the information given. So, we have 3 and we know the total was 90. So 3 divided by 90, let's give it to 2 decimal places. So this would be 0.03. Then the next one is 9 divided by 90. So 9 divided by 90 is 0.1, which would of course be 0.10. Then we've got 24 as the next one, so we'll do 24 divided by 90, and that's 0.27 if we go to 2 decimal places. Then we have 36 divided by 90, and that's 0.4. Then we've got 12 divided by 90, so 12 divided by 90 is 0.13. And finally, we've got 6 divided by 90, which is 0.07. We want to draw a relative frequency histogram. So the first one is 0.03, and that was between 20 and 30. So 0.03 would be about here. We can only really approximate with the scales that we've got. Then we've got 0.1. We can do that one a bit more accurately because it's actually on a grid line. So that would be that one. 0.27. Well, 0.25 is there, so it's going to be a bit above that. So something like that. 0.4, that's on a grid line. Of course, if you're doing this, you really should do it with a ruler. 0.13 is probably somewhere around there. And 0.07 will be somewhere around there. So it's going to look like that. What is the total area of the bars on the histogram? Well, you should know that that's 1. Use the histogram to estimate the probability that a randomly chosen student took 50 seconds or more to complete the activity. So that's these 3 bars. We want the areas of those. This was 0.4, this was 0.13, this was 0.07. So if we add those together, we're going to get 0.6. What is the probability that a randomly chosen student took exactly 45 seconds to complete the activity? So there we're looking at a single value. And for any single value, the area would be 0. So the probability of taking a specific individual value is always 0 with a continuous distribution.